mabuhay. Today, I will discuss the 12 types of tourism. Tourism is more than just a traveling. It is an activity that allows people to explore, learn, and experience new places, culture, and activities. Each type of tourism has its unique purpose and benefits, both of the traveler and for the community or environment they visit. Let us dive into the different kind of tourism and understand why people engage in them. When a large number of people travel to a popular destination, the activity of mass tourism, more on visiting famous landmarks, beaches, and resorts in group. Example, tourists visiting Boracay or Paris Eiffel Tower. So the purpose is that people engage in mass tourism for leisure, relaxation, and convenience since everything is already prepared by the large crowd. For travelers seek exciting, challenging, and sometimes risky activities that are usually outdoors, it's more than just visiting a place about experiencing something different. The activity of adventure tourism. First is hiking, mountain climbing, scuba diving, or whitewater rafting. So, example, trekking Mountain Pulag or surfing in Surigao. The purpose is that traveler seek excitement, thrill, and personal challenges. Where traveler visits natural areas and focus on education, recreation, the environment, and then regular visits, ecotourism emphasizes sustainable making sure that natural habitat, wildlife, and local communities are protected and respected when the activity of ecotourism, wildlife watching, forest trekking, and visiting nature reserves. For example, exploring Palawan Underground River or Taal Volcano. The purpose is to appropriate nature, learn about the ecosystem, and support environmental conservation. Minimizing negative impact on the environment, culture, and society while traveling promotes responsible travel practices that help present nature resources, support local communities, and maintain cultural heritage. The activity of sustainable tourism. First is stay in lodge, eco-lodge, participating in local conversation project, using public transportation. So for example, volunteering in beach cleanup in Bohol. The purpose is the traveler want to enjoy tourism while protecting the environment for future generations. Where people travel primarily for leisure, fun, and relaxation. The main goal is to enjoy free time, refresh the mind, and take a break from their routine. It focuses on activities that are within medical care, where people travel especially in medical care, treatment, or wellness purposes. This can be health checkup, surgery, rehabilitation, or the activity of health and medical tourism, going to hospital, wellness resort, or rehabilitation center abroad or locally. For example, visiting Cebu for cosmetic surgery or wellness spa. The purpose is to combine travel with health improve for recovery. This is also called business tourism. It's a type of tourism where the people transfer primarily to attend conference, seminar, rehabilitation, trade show, or corporate event. Unlike leisure tourism, the main goal for professionally developing networking and business. Conventional tourism activity like participating in trade show, seminar, or corporate events. For example, business convention in Manila or Cebu International Convention Center event. The purpose is to networking for professional growth and business opportunities. Where people travel to rural areas or village experience local tradition, culture, and lifestyle, focuses on the authentic experience of small communities rather than the village tourism activity like experiencing farming life, local festival, and handicraft. Example, staying in Sagada to experience indigenous culture. The purpose is to learn about rural lifestyle and preserve local traditions. Tourism activity, city tour, shopping, visiting museum, entertainment entertainment district. For example, Manila, Cavite, Makati, or Quezon City for shopping and museum. Purpose, people engage in urban tourism for convenience, culture, and entertainment. Where travelers explore and learn about the culture, tradition, and lifestyle of specific ethnic group and focuses on cultural diversity, heritage, and the way of life of indigenous or local. The ethnic tourism, the activity, participating in cultural ritual, observing indigenous community, and testing ethnic cuisine. For example, visiting the Ifugao community or attending the Pinagbenga Festival in Bohol. Purpose, to experience cultural diversity and learn about other people's heritage. Where travelers explore the arts, heritage, and cultural expression of the place, it focuses on learning, expressing, and appreciating the history, tradition, and artistic achievement of the community or the nation. Cultural tourism activity, visiting museum, historical landmark, performing art show, and heritage site. Example, intramural tour in Manila or vegan heritage village. Purpose, people engage to learn about historical, culture, and artistic achievement. Where traveler visit places of historical significance to learn about the past, important events, and the heritage, and focuses on understanding history, preserving memories, and connecting with the cultural roots. This type of tourism often overlaps with the cultural tourism. It's all about visiting monuments, ruins, museum, and battlefield. For example, Rizal Park, Corregidor Island, or the old churches in Ilocos Norte. The purpose is to gain knowledge about the history, honor heritage, and preserve memories of the past. It's when people travel within our country, own country, for leisure, business, culture, or other purposes. Unlike international tourism, travelers don't cross border but explore different regions, cities, or provinces within their homeland. It's helped to promote. The activity of domestic and international tourism include visiting local attraction or traveling overseas. Example, going to Palawan or Cebu, domestic, or Japan or Thailand, international. Purpose, to experience, relax, or learn ethically, locally, or abroad. Experience and perspectives. In summary, tourism is diverse and serves many purposes, for relaxation and adventure, to learn, and cultural appreciation. Each type of tourism provides unique experience and benefits for the traveler, local communities, and even environment. And understanding this type helps us to travel responsibly and enjoy every opportunity for growth, enjoyment, and discovery.